Hey, how's it going, everyone out there? I wanted to come on here and talk about one of my absolute favorite products that I've had for about, I'd say, 10 months now, is this VIPERTEK VTS-989 rechargeable stun gun. And like I said, I've had it for about 10 months, and I got this for protection, of course. You know, being a woman here in Las Vegas, you know, sometimes, well, not sometimes, all of the time, and really wherever you are, it's good to be protected. Regardless of your sex, regardless of where you live, having protection is absolutely essential. And I would say especially so if you're a woman, because, you know, of course we are more petite and we need something extra to help keep you safe in case you don't want to carry a gun. This is something that can help to protect you as well. I used to have a smaller stun gun that didn't pack as much bite as this one, and it very easily broke. So I wanted to get something a bit more heavy duty and also something that packs a bit more of a punch. This one here is a heavy duty stun gun, and it is 300 million volts. So 300 million volts, can you imagine? If you can imagine that zapping you, you're going to be shut down. What I really like about this is that it is a military strength protection. Like, it's not like the other small one that I had, but it is really military strength, law enforcement, self-defense, security. So it's heavy duty. I like that. What I also like here is that it has a grab guard feature, which is this here on the sides. So say for instance, if you have it and you know you're getting ready to zap someone, if they try to snatch it, they are going to still be zapped on the sides there. So that is the grab guard feature, and it does have really sharp Spike Electrodes here at the top. You can see them closer. See, they're very sharp and pointy, and they have that to help get through clothing. So if you can't perhaps get to any skin, you can still get through their clothes with that. And then there's also the deep finger grips to allow for you to hold it better and more secure, because of course any type of self-defense weapon, you want to be able to have it very secure in your hand if someone does try to take it from you or anything like that. So it's got those deep finger grips. It's environmentally friendly. It's rechargeable, so you can plug this in and you can recharge. And here is the rechargeable plug right here, and you just enter in here, plug it in, boom bam, and recharge. So it's rechargeable, saving money, and also good for the environment. You don't have to buy a bunch of batteries. And then along with being a stun gun, it's also a LED flashlight, and the bulb actually lasts for 100,000 hours. So going to be lasting you a good long while. It has a lifetime warranty, and it also has a safety switch, but also fast action. So its safety switch is that you have to come over here to the side. One click is just the flashlight. 2 clicks, it's on the red. That means it's ready to zap. So you can't just push a button and zap. It has the safety, so you have to intentionally click it up twice. But however, it's also fast action. So if you do have to do this in a quick moment, you know, because you're in danger and you have to, you can very easily just bam, click this and zap. So I will show you what it's like here. Prepare yourself. It's going to be a big zap. So we click once, flashlight, twice, red, it's ready to zap, and then woo, that baby packs a punch. My girl's name is Betsy. That's what I call my stun gun, is Betsy. And let's take a look here. As you can see, it's made in China. It's going to come in this box. There's nothing to really put together. Slides out. Okay, and it's just going to come very nicely laying inside, and it's going to come with the cord, and it also has a little, you know, wristlet that goes around your wrist that you can hook in there, and then you'll be able to then carry it around on your wrist. And when zapping people, and of course I don't recommend you just zapping people willy-nilly because you want to zap people, although you will be tempted to want to see how this works. But this is only if someone is hurting you guys, not for fun. But if you, says a shock from a stun gun lasting 1 second or less will cause pain and minor muscle contractions. Stunning the assailant for 1 to 2 seconds will cause muscle spasms and a dazed mental state. Now, stunning the assailant for 3 to 5 seconds will cause loss of balance and muscle control. So total loss of balance and loss of muscle control, just zapping them for 3 to 5 seconds. But if someone's after me, I don't know, I might be zapping them for quite a bit. But this is my VIPERTEK VTS-989 rechargeable stun gun. And there are going to be different models, but I have the 989 and it is about 300 million volts. So that is one of my favorite protection and self-defense products that I have. Thanks for watching.